more than the T. I suppose you don't take away the T.
The microphone is here. Feel free to ask your question via at will, no particular sequence. But as you do it,
Friend, the governor, I think we are called to ask the
hawatupatii teams. Hawatupatii teams.
KRA is your KRA, eh? You can't pay, we can't give you compliance certificate. We can make it simpler. Ulipe 100, tukupe compliance certificate, uende utende, you get another contract, which ulipe 400, na mmejo mpaka ziishe. But with nothing we can't give you a compliance certificate.
Now, the solution that I'm sure the people who are told at MS must have been like that reverse invoice idea. That you as David, and I think that's what David was asking, you can create, essentially, you can originate the invoice. That's why you're calling it reverse invoice. And these experts will take you deeper into it. That, so that you declare or you say, you know, or you create an entry into your ledger